today. Reason why is because it's I would have did a lot of this last week, but last week was a rough week, family issues. Then I thought, oh, okay. Then the weekend it slowed down. It was cool Friday. Friday evening was great. But it was like drama Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It was like confusing. Friday it was like finally some peace. Saturday and Sunday was cool. Today, my aunt passed. So I'm trying to be strong for my mother and my daughter. My mom is a strong woman, but I could feel in her voice when I was talking to her on the phone that it hurt her because my mom and her been. I'm gonna say my aunt because she's been knowing my mom for over 40 plus years, and they was like this. Her whole family been like family to my family, so I'm going to say my aunt, and it's just I wish I could have seen her last year had I known that this was gonna happen. But I had a bullshit ass job last year where I could not go home for 4th of July when my mom and daughter went. And I didn't even, last time I was home, I didn't even get to see all my cousins. It's too much family for me to see. When I go home to Louisiana, it's too many people. And I was only there for like 2 days last time I was in Louisiana. So if it seems like my thoughts are all over the place, that would be why I'm trying to do too much cook. Um, Take a bath, clean. Well, I cleaned yesterday, so but I clean on Saturdays and Wednesdays. Wednesday, y'all know that's the hair day. I try to do as little as possible because the hair is gonna take all day anyways. But on a more positive note, I'm trying to be because I could tell my mother, she was hurt, and my daughter was because my daughter really got close with her. How I really was when I was a child. So I know for them too. I'm trying to. If I start break down crying, and then they gonna be breaking down and crying, and then I gotta call or message my cousin that's my age. It's a lot, but we gonna get this video. And then the next time you probably gonna see me is gonna be I'm gonna be mass recording. So the video y'all was supposed to get last week, you're getting it this week, and then it's gonna be when I feel like it. But I have what I want to record. Yes, it's just gonna take some time. Okay, because the last time I uploaded was last Saturday. So yeah. But on a side note, we're gonna talk about this. If you don't know what this is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whipped Twisting Cream. Pure honey with rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. This, what can I say about this? Yes. I always say if I touch the container and I can feel the oils, the moisture on my hands, that's how I know my hair is going to love it. For some, this might be too much. I've used this a total of, I can say 3 times, basically. And so you're going to get 3.5 uses. If your hair is thin, you might get 5 uses out of this 11.5 ounces, or 6 if it's really thin. If fine strands, you'll probably get a 4 because your strands are fine. Mine are thicker and I need more moisture. So the fact that I've gotten 3 and this little bit, I think last time I kind of went to town with it. Probably could have got 4 or 3.5. but my hair was more, it needed more moisture because I had my hair loose for the last video at the fair. I wanted to be cute, so I needed more moisture. But this is, it did its thing. I would repurchase because this is cheap, it's affordable. You can find this on the ground. You don't have to hunt this down. So that's what I'm gonna say about that. And I'm gonna try to come back and record more and push them out, but I don't know when you gonna see them. All right. Good night, y'all.